Bit of an up.
That's a little hill climb, eh?
Oh my God, what is that? Guys,
morning.
Welcome back to the channel. We are heading out on a beautiful sunny day. We are being led by Adam and Cheyenne. We're going to go out and explore some trails. We're going to go to some that they've been on before but have been stopped by snow. We're going to see if we can get any further, check out some potential future camping spots, just get out there and see what we can see. I think we may potentially get up to, what did he say, 5,000 feet?
Yeah, 5,000, 6,000 feet or something.
Yeah, so it's going to be amazing. We're looking forward to seeing some new things for us, getting some epic views, and hey, we have Brian with us.
He's back there.
He's back there. So it's going to be a great day. We hope you stick around and enjoy what we have to show you. Talk to you soon.
See you in a bit.
And here we are on the dirt.
Beautiful.
Hey.
Hi.
So we're good in two-wheel or whatever until we cross the bridge, and then we'll stop, and that's when you'll need four-wheel.
Okay.
Just because of like some sections that are steep, but it's pretty smooth sailing for another 20 minutes, I think. So.
Okay. That's cool.
It's one of those trickster trails. You think you're about to get the view, and then you turn the corner.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are so stoked to have you guys back. So for today's adventure, we are exploring some roads we've never been on with some amazing friends. I've got to be honest, some of these views are going to blow your mind. Stick around. It's a neat road.
It is. I was just thinking the exact same thing. What a cool road.
It's got a little bit of everything. You got the big views, the deep valley, and then you get down into the valley, and then you're looking up the mountain peaks.
Wheel probably.
Okay, actually I'm at 42 PSI, okay. So I'm just take a little bit of air out. Some of those rocks are kind of freaking me out.
Okay.
Looks like we're going up a little bit here.
Yeah, it's actually pretty steep.
I can't get over the mosquitoes.
Yeah. That was crazy, actually.
Yeah,
when I can't see.
Crazy views. Oh, more poop.
That's bear.
That's bear?
Yeah. So if anybody asks, is a bear poop in the forest? No, on the FSR.
We are high.
Yes, ma'am. So there's nothing really technical about the roads we're doing today, but I gotta tell you, these views are definitely distracting. I find myself looking around more than I do at the road. So hard to focus with this much beauty. That's ridiculous. See what I mean? This place is insane. Sometimes poor Joanne gets so focused on filming, sometimes she forgets to hold on.
Ooh! You're good. Straight past.
Cool. Now I get it, cut blocks aren't the most beautiful places, but without them we wouldn't be up here. Now I know to some people logging can be a controversial issue, one that I'm not willing to get involved with. I just appreciate these roads that were created so that friends and I can have a fun day out and see some incredible vistas.
Definitely not lacking in the firewood department.
No. You, an endless supply, actually.
Spend the night shopping.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Oh.
Oh? Oh, they're moving a big
Rock.
Potentially. Nope, we're good. It's gonna be snug, she said. All right, end of this road. Turn around.
Yeah.
And go check the one that it went to the right, I think.
Brian, stop.
It's about to reverse off the cliff.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yep. Consequences there.
Yep.
Try that one because there's a nice view there
Yeah.
just to see. And then,
Yeah.
then decide what you're
I'm down.
Explore away. All right, so we're all turned around. And we're gonna try a different trail.
Yep.
This is cool. This is a lot of fun. I'm glad we got out today.
See the good birthday?
It's great.
We are at the top.
Yeah,
So.
we were hoping that we could get to that view because when we saw it when we were coming up, like, oh, that could be a good spot too.
Yeah.
But if you want, we can just head back down and go over there.
Yeah,
And then
I'm
we'll
good
be
for that.
there hour and a half.
And
Is
have a
that
fire?
like enough time?
Yeah, and then we have a fire and-
Yep, we'll get to the one spot where it's absolutely beautiful.
So the first part of this adventure was purely exploration. As far as the second part, Adam and Cheyenne had a destination in mind where we could set up, have a campfire, have some lunch, and some cake for Joanne's birthday.
All right, so it's that valley over to the left we're heading to now?
Yeah, with the big mountain face there, with all the snow.
Cool.
We're gonna head up that side.
Get a fire going and have our hot dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
That is gonna be epic. All right, trail number 2.
Trail number 2 of the day.
Already.
So what you're about to
Very
see
pretty.
is something we don't usually show, but it's happening way Beautiful too area. much on these beautiful trails. So to the people that did this, if you're watching, shame on you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's nice that people do that, eh? That's ridiculous. How do people live with themselves, man?
Just as we're saying how it's already beautiful.
Well, it is beautiful, but people just abuse it.
Yeah.
That's why when you said it used to be gated, well, no kidding. It just becomes a dumping ground for losers. What a beautiful forest. Like, honestly, it's just gorgeous. Like, I'm looking down here and it's just, I don't know, it's just beautiful. Up there, look at that. Like, it's amazing.
Sun coming through all the trees.
Yeah, like it's just literally like magical. Man, that's just impressive.
Absolutely gorgeous. It's a bit of an up.
That's a little hill climb, eh?
Oh my God, what is that?
I don't know. That noise came from Brian's truck. Thankfully, it was a one and done. He said it happened when he went to put it into 4 low. If anyone knows what that is, please leave a comment. I'm always terrified when these logs are like that.
It's gonna slide down.
Yeah. Stop.
I love that change from when you're in the trees to when you're not.
That's pretty.
It is.
Very tranquil. We took our time stopping for nothing in particular. We let the day unfold the way it wanted. This is the beauty of not being in a hurry.
Oh, I see what's happening over there.
There's what?
I see there's a rock in the road.
That's not a bad birthday view,
Not
Ben.
at all. Not at all.
Thank you, Adam and Cheyenne, for showing us this. I gotta say, some of these cross ditches are not a long wheelbase vehicle's best friend.
It's a small fish.
Just slow, yeah, slow, slow, slow. And then just slow down so you don't hit your bottom.
Oh,
That's insane. Look at that. Wow.
pretty nice. Hi.
I wanted to show a funny little clip, something normally you guys wouldn't see. But anyone filming outside the vehicle, which in this case is Joanne and Cheyenne, they end up usually doing a lot of running. God bless them.
At least the drop in isn't that bad.
What's that?
The drop in isn't that bad, but that's a steep coming out.
Yeah, it's steep coming out.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. This is an amazing, amazing view. We are going to call it. We are going to get a fire going in this most beautiful, amazing spot. Get some hot dogs going, have a drink or two, and relax. Thank you so very much for joining us today. Do me a huge, huge favor. You can call it a gift. Go down below, hit that sub button. Give us a like, drop us a comment. We would really appreciate it. We appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. Mr. Adam, thank you so much for bringing us here.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is amazing.
$1 million view, that's for sure.
It is. On all around. Gotta enjoy some campfire hot dogs before we can't campfire anymore.
Yeah, like we were talking about earlier. It's probably coming soon, I would think.
Yeah. I'm actually looking forward to a couple of hot dogs.
You and me both, actually. I'm really stoked about that.
They're gonna be, yeah, really good.
Hey, up there.
I'm crouched down, you're up top. This is what happens.
I should take a bite and you put the camera right on me.
Yep. Is it all you hoped it would be?
Well,
Campfire, you can't go wrong with a campfire hot
no,
dog.
you can. They're delicious.
With that to look at while you're eating it,
I know, right? Check that out.
stunning.
It's pretty impressive.
Very impressive.
See the ocean, how it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion. Lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all. See the trees grow.
Hey guys, welcome back. So that white truck up there took us on an amazing adventure for Joanne's birthday. Adam and Cheyenne went over and above showing us some cool stuff, and yeah, what an amazing trip. It was great to be with those two and Brian on Joanne's special day. Along with me, was that okay?
You were amazing.
It was an absolutely amazing trip with 3 amazing friends, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. So we hope you like what we've shown you. I have really not a lot to say just because I'm still processing everything we saw. So I'm just going to leave it with happy birthday, Beth.
Thank you.
And until next time, get out there, enjoy life, and
Find your moments.
see you guys.
Thanks for watching.